Okay, it's a nice black walnut log. I've measured 1 inch, since this is an already dried log. 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch, 5 inch, 6 inch, 7 inch. So I'm gonna get about 6 or 7 boards out of this one log. It's got some cracks and stuff up in it, and I hate to throw away black walnut, so I'm gonna get what I can out of it and save it. I'll cut this first board for you. Down it's all square. First time I ever had that happen. Woo. Look at that. It broke right in half. I don't know if I had it too tight or what. Hey. That sucks. That's one of the reasons you don't want to ever stand in front of it. But with that one blade, I'm cutting all these logs. You see, there's I cut about 8 black walnut logs there, and there's some bodark, that yellow wood down there on the end. I've cut this out of a piece of bodark, which is a kind of a rare piece of wood, and I've cut these over here, all this cedar out of that one piece. And I've got that wood that a tree company's been giving me, and so I just been working on it. But it's time to buy another wood miser blade. These are my dogs trying to get in. So anyways, it just broke clean out, and I guess I caught it on film. You can see that it just broke. That's about a $19 blade. I guess I got some good use out of it. And I might have over tightened it some or something that caused it to pop. I don't guess I'll know right now, but I'll get another blade ordered and we'll take some more videos, and maybe you can see that first board. That first board's coming out pretty good. You see here, it was working fine. See, it's got little grooves in it. Looks like it caught there or something a little bit, but the rest of the board's all pretty good. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed that blade snap. That was not in purpose. And I'll get another one ordered and we'll see how it does. Thank you and have a good day.